Hi friends, this is Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics, and today we'll be looking into a Tillandsia species called as Caput Medusa. It's a very interesting species and it's very popular in the gardening industry. So if you are into air plants, you might already know about this plant. Mine is currently in bloom, so I thought I'll give you a small video showing its flowers, as well as we'll discuss a little bit about how this plant is kept in the cultivation. So Tillandsia Caput-medusae is a species of flowering plants that belongs to the bromeliad group Bromeliaceae, and which also includes to the subfamily Tillandsioides. They are generally found in Central America, mainly to parts of Mexico. They are also generally known as octopus plant or Medusa's head. The reason they are called as Medusa's head is the bulging in the bottom and the tendriling or the coiling leaves that tend to resemble the head of Medusa, a Greek mythological character. You might be wondering why the plant is not having any coiled leaf. This is because it's well watered and taken care of. When during times of drought, under water stress, the leaves coil down and they look more similar to Medusa's head. So here you can observe that the leaves on my plant are straight and not so coiled, but I'll attach a picture here itself so that you can see the difference if it is under water stress. So now we'll briefly discuss about the beautiful flowers or inflorescence that the plant produces. So the red portion that you see on the inflorescence is just the showy bract, and the violet tubular flowers or structures that poke out of the red bract is actually the flower of the species. So similar to any other air plant, this particular plant also only flowers once, and after that the mother starts producing new pups. So friends, if you find my content interesting and useful, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification button for all future updates from the channel. If you have friends who are into gardening, please share my videos with them as well. So here I have taken a zoom in video to show you the trichomes or the scale-like structures that cover the surface of the plant. This actually opens up when you hydrate the plant, and in this clip you can see the plant changing from silver to green when it's given water. I have done a detailed video on how you can care for your air plants, and most of those points apply to this species as well. But keep in mind that this species require less watering than your regular air plant due to the presence of the pseudobulb. So guys, today's video was a short one highlighting this wonderful species of Tillandsia. I hope you guys found it interesting. Until next time, this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I hope you would consider giving the video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Share it with your like-minded friends, and also comment down below if you have any more queries. Until next time, happy gardening!